Food safety is enormously important for India. We have a population of 1.35 billion people, and the challenges that we face in terms of malnutrition, micronutrient deficiency, and in terms of the rampaging non-communicable diseases are so large that we have to find solutions that are different. The first step that we took was to bring in the Food Safety and Standards Act in 2006, followed by the setting up of the authority in 2008. We have notified standards for approximately 14,000 categories of food products, additives, and colors. We've also set up a network of 188 primary laboratories and 12 referral laboratories. We have brought in regulations for newer areas such as trans fat labeling, organic food, front of pack labeling, and menu labeling. We have a very innovative system of capacity building, and that is the FSSAI training. We have 140 training partners who administer training and capacity building to stakeholders according to curriculum designed by us. A very important piece is the use of IT technology in order to be able to manage the scale of our operations. The FSSAI system is our licensing and certification system that covers licensing, inspections, and links also to our testing and the import systems. We've also brought in tools for building capacity and voluntary compliance by industry, food businesses, and that takes the form of hygiene rating and third-party audits, which are voluntarily adopted by food business operators. Eat Right India was actually an approach to take a systems approach and to also make both the food businesses as well as the consumers a part of the system. A very interesting approach which I think is going to build the next generation of leaders, which is the Eat Right challenges for districts, for cities, and even to engage our partnership of stakeholders through the NetProfan. So I think these efforts are really creating the leadership which will take Eat Right India forward. We've been a member of the Codex Alimentarius Commission since it was set up in 1964. And in 2015, we took over as the regional coordinator for Asia. And over the last 5 years, our focus has been on fostering cooperation and standard development in Asia. We've hosted 2 very successful CC Asia meets, and we have also been part of setting up 2 group projects under the Codex Trust Fund, which have been well received and have built capacity of the membership. I think, and we also host the Herbs and Spices Committee of the Codex, and in this capacity we are working steadily and strongly to generate the standards for these very vital condiments most efficiently. So I think we have been very much a part of the Codex system. We worked in recent years with the FAO to also conduct a study on food fraud and measures to address this, and I think that it's in this direction that we would seek to work further in the years ahead with the FAO.